Camera Raw provides a non-destructive crop tool so that you can crop your image and save the cropped image, as well as you keep the original image untouched. Let's see how you can do that. We are in Camera Raw, and from the top panel you can see this crop tool. The keyboard shortcut for this is letter C. Select this tool, click from where you want to start the crop to where you want to end the crop, and then leave the mouse pointer. The area inside this frame will be cropped and will be shown, and the area outside this frame will be hidden. After you select the area, just press the enter key from your keyboard, and as you can see, we have selected this image. If you want to go back, just press Ctrl Z and you are back to the original file. This is how simple it is. If you hold down on this button, you'll see a little pop-up menu there, from where you can select the aspect ratio of the crop. Let's say 3:4. So now I am selecting the area, and as I drag along, the ratio of my crop will be 3:4. So in this way you can manage the proportion of width and height. Now I can drag my selection and put it wherever I want to. If I drag it down and reduce the size, the proportion still remains 3:4. If I hit enter, I'll select the crop proportion. Now I can also go ahead and add a custom preset. So if I want to 16:9, I can input 16 and 9 over here, click OK, and now this is the 16:9 crop selection. So in this way you will be able to get the aspect ratio right and select the portion of the image that is important and that you want to highlight.